Hello guys, today we are going to create a new Minecraft launcher in C# language. You can use that launcher for your server or for yourself to play with your friends. For that, let's download Visual Studio. We are going to use. Click to Microsoft One and click this button, which is download Visual Studio. If you download this one, I already have it, so let's open it. And when you open it, you will see this screen. You can just click .NET Desktop Development. We just need that one for now. Let's and then click download and download it. I already have it. Let's open it. What's happening? Yeah, I'm going to open it with administrator. The version is 2022. Let's create a new project. Over here, let's write WinForm on the back. When we write WinForm over here, there is lots of WinForms. We're gonna collect C# one and .NET Framework one. Click it and press next. Give a name to our project. I'm going to call it Purple Launcher. Let's create it. As you can see, this is a flat form, which looks really flat. This will be my splash screen. Let's give a name. Splash screen. This name will be, it is for using it in code. And the text one is for using it to show what is. Give a title to launcher. When you open it, as you can see, it's Purple Launcher. Let's make form border style known. Make size to 500 500. I'm going to do that. Back color will be 17 17 17. It's good to go now. It looks like a splash screen now. Oh, it starts in a weird place. Let's make it center screen with start position. So it's better now. Okay. Now I'm going to add a package for a better design. Right click to a project and press manage nugget package. Click browse and right here Juno 2 and download the WinForms one. Okay, I accept. After this, you can close the nugget one, and as you can see, there's a new package. I'm going to add a picture box. I'm going to use the Microsoft one. I don't need Juno for this. Let's select a picture, which will be my logo, and make this stretch image. Make size 300 300. Okay, it looks like a splash screen now. You can edit it in your way. It looks like a splash screen for me. So let's create a new project, add form. I'm going to call it login screen. As you can see, it looks cool. Okay, let's double click over here. And I'm going to write here await task.delay. 2000 is good to go. It means 2 seconds. It will make us wait for 2 seconds. After that, let's create a new login screen. X equals a new login screen. And x.show and hide this one. Okay, now it will make us wait for 2 seconds and it will bring us to login screen. Let's start it and try it out. As you can see, after 2 seconds, it should send us to login screen. It's good to go now. It looks like a splash screen now. We are going to add more things to this splash screen, but now it's good to go. Let's get into login screen. Let's edit this. Make form border line known. Make start position center screen. Size will be 1225 to 700. It's really good size for laptops and desktop computers. Let's make text purple launcher. Name is good to go. Okay, it's cool. Now I'm going to add a back color. now background image, which is my design, and background image layout will be stretch. Show it all. And let's add a drag control. This will be, let's try it out without drag control. As you can see, it just sent us to login screen, but you cannot drag it, as you can see. And when we add drag control here, you will be able to drag it. Let's change the name to drag control. And let's close you. Okay. When you add this, you will be able to drag it. But when you drop it, oh, we cannot drag it because we didn't select target control. Let's target it to login screen. Let's start it again. When I drag it, as you can see, it just get transparent. And I don't want this. And there is a flash, which is white. We're gonna fix both of them. When you make transparent while drag false, it will be fixed really fast, as you can see. But when you make this move, it's just bugging and flashing. To fix that, select the color that you're not using in your design. There's no green in my design, as you can see. There's just purple and black. So make black color that color. I'm going to make it green, and transparency K will be green too. With that, it will fix it. As you can see, it's just fixed. Now it's good to go. Let's add a control box. Exit box, I'm going to say that. And field color will be transparent. It looks really bad. So let's make field color. Which is what's the back color? Back color will be transparent too. Yeah, it looks cool now. Put it like over here. Okay, it looks cool. When we press it, application will be exit. Okay, it's cool. And add another box. I'm going to call it alt box. Put it over here and change the style of it to border, not border style. Control box type will be minimize box. Okay, it's cool. Let's start it. When we press minimize, it looks like this. It's just minimizing it. And when we close it, it's just closing the application. It's cool. Now let's add some text box. To text box. Let's add a button. So let's start with this text box. I'm going to call it txt username. And let's change the placeholder for class. We don't need placeholder. Let me open this application to take the color code over here, the purple one. What is the color of it? 94782227. Okay, let's copy it. I'm going to make border color this color, and back color will be transparent, and fore color will be this color. Field color will be 111111, which is this color. You cannot make it transparent inside of inside of a text box. And I'm going to press this one and make it animated and out rounded corners. Let's change font to Titanium Web. I'm going to use Titanium Web. Bold 14 is good to go. It's really big, as you can see. Let's make it smaller. Is there border thickness over here? Yeah. Let's make it 2. And let's make text line to center. So our text will be not in here, in here. Okay, let's create another one to show something to you. Let's open it. Splash screen and login screen in 2 seconds. When you get onto our text box, as you can see, the border just gets blue, but we don't want blue. There is no blue in our project, so I'm going to make it white. I just want to add a third color, black, purple, and white. I'm going to use these 3 colors in my launcher. So there is a state things. First of all is disabled state. I'm not going to change this because we are not going to disable this text box in any way. There's a focus state. When you click this text box, this state just works. I'm going to make border color white and fore color will be white too. When you click it, you can change it in your way. And hover state, when your mouse is on the text box, only border color will be changed. Or let's not change border color. Let's change the fore color. Okay. So let's delete it and put it this. Okay. Let's try it. There's two text boxes as you can see. When we write here hello, or let's write my name Mekaku, and when you get into here, as you can see, this is when you hover it, it's changing the color of the text, and when you click it, it's changing the border color. It looks cool now. Now I'm going to edit this button. Field color will be purple again. Let's take this purple. Color it purple. Back color will be transparent. Bottom will be login. Let's make it animated and art rounded. Let's make font Titanium Web bold or maybe black 12. Is it too big? Let's make it Titanium Web only bold 18. Okay. Put it like somewhere like here. Let's put it to middle of the C. Okay. It looks cool. We have two designs. Let's try it out. Yeah, cool. Yeah, we may click it, change. Want to change something, which is hover state. Okay, focus state. Let's make this one white and this one purple. Okay, it's better, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's cool. It's good. Now, let's add some labels. Back color will be transparent. Fore color will be purple again. And call it username. I'll just make it username. Let's put this over somewhere here. Make font Titanium Web again. Bold 10. Okay, it's cool. So let's add our logo here too. So let's copy this one and put it here. Background will be transparent. 100, 100. Okay, it looks cool. It's a purple launcher. So let's create a new form, which will be main screen. Edit it again. Let's add a label here and make this label username. So let's create a variable here. When we press login, first of all, let's create a variable here. Write public static string username. Public static means you can change this variable from another form. So when you click this button, username will be equals to txt username.text. And in main screen, when we load main screen, label username will be login screen dot username. So we will transfer text. We will transfer that name to our main screen. Let's start it. I'm going to say make echo and login, but we mistake something. Main screen load right here. Main screen x equals to new main screen. X dot show. Sorry for that. Hide. Start it. When I write make echo over here, login. It's not. Oh, we wrote it somewhere wrong. Sorry guys. We are going to write it into this box. Let's press start. Login. As you can see, there's nothing because we didn't type any name. When we type Mekiak over here, when we login, as you can see, Mekiak is just transferred over here. Okay, it's working. Now let's add a system to check if text box is empty. String dot is null or empty. Text username dot text. Message box dot show. You have to type a name. Let's give a title, purple launcher. Okay, and if it's not blank, let's see this code. Let's start it. When it's blank and if you type it, as you can see, you have to type a name, it says. But if I say hello and login, as you can see, it's just send us the main screen. Okay, let's create a system as a remember me. Let's add a checkbox. Oh, where's our checkbox? What's that? Checkbox is over there. Why? Let's put our checkbox over here. Let's make back color transparent. Checkmark color, let's edit it, not now. Text will be remember me. Fonts will be Titanium Web again. Bold, this was 12. Oh, it's really big. What was that? It's 9 or 10. Let's make this 9 then. For color purple. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let's leave it black. Take this purple color and put it here. For color. Okay, let's edit this box now. So where's that? Okay. Checkmark color will be white. It's okay. It's good. There's checked state. Open it. Border color will be the same color as purple. Field color will be same purple. Border radius is there auto? No, there's no. So let's make it 2 radius, and there have to be a unchecked state. Yeah, over here. Open it. I'll make it border color. It doesn't matter. Field color will be what we can do that is 20. It's really dark. It's good. So as you can see, this looks like this. Let's get into here. Okay, when we click it, as you can see, this is checking, and we will make this active now. There's something over there a little bit, so let's add a border on it. Border thickness 2, and I check it side. Border thickness 2. Start it. Okay, remember me. Press it and press it. It's good. So in here, there's a properties over here, and there's a settings. getting into here, and we are going to create two new variables, which is username, which is string, and start with none, and remember me act will be boolean and will be false. When we're creating it, we can close it out, and when we load the launcher, the login screen, if properties dot settings dot default dot remember me act if it equals to true, txt username dot text equals to properties dot settings default username. So if it's true, if remember me activated, make txt username text box to username. And when we click login, and over here, if username or did we change checkbox name? What was the checkbox? Oh, let's change it. Check remember. Check remember. Oh, what's that? That's long. Check remember dot checked. If it's checked, you can write like this. If it's checked, properties dot settings dot default dot remember me act equals to true. Properties dot settings dot default dot not 2 equals, only 1 equals dot username equals to username. Oh, let's make it text username dot text. Else, if it's not checked, properties dot settings dot default dot remember act equals to false. Properties dot settings default username equals to none. We'll do that. And all end, we will save the things that we made. So now it has to work. Let's start it. It's unmarked. I'm going to call it make echo and press remember me and login. As you can see, we just logged. Let's start it again. As you can see, it just remembers us, but there is no check mark over here. So let's get to the load again, and if it's true, make remember check it equals to true. So it will be fixed. As you can see, it's checked. If you unmark it and log in it again, it will delete all the username and activation, as you can see. So guys, thanks for watching. This was the first video, and in the next video we are going to edit main screen and make a Minecraft launcher. Thanks for watching, guys. Wait for another video.